Hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode, and in today's video we are going to look into how can you get to hack into your spouse's or into your friends WhatsApp without them knowing. And of course you'll be receiving real-time messages each and every time they get to receive a new message. You will always be there getting their real updates. So I'll be doing this. I'll be showing you a real illustration using my mobile phone, as well as how you can get to connect all those without them even noticing anything weird. So to just get into that, you just need to have a couple of things, one of which you need to have a good mobile phone with a good internet connection. And of course for your partner or even for your spouse, you can get to implement exactly what I'm showing you. And here's a disclaimer: the information that I'm showing you, if you get to use it in a wrong way and you find yourself in a trouble, trust you me, I'm nowhere to be blamed. I'm just sharing some information which could be useful in one or another when implemented the right way. So first thing first, I'll be using my computer. You need, first of all, you need to have a computer in order to implement this. Of course, the other thing you need also to have your mobile phone. So for this case, let me just share the screenshot. Let me just start my screen recorder so that I get to show you real time what I'm talking about. And the first thing first you need to do, you need to come to your Google. I'll be showing you right here. You need to come to your Google option. Then from here, there's one thing you need to do, which is to come to web WhatsApp. You need to search that. That's something which you have to do in order to access whatever I'm about to show you. So from here, you need to scroll down here to the option whereby you're going to see web WhatsApp option. So for that case, I'm expecting you're following along what I'm showing you so that you get to move forward together. So hopefully you're following along what I'm showing you. So from here, you're just going to wait for the computer to load the scan option. As you can see, you'll need this scan option right here. Then you'll need to use your mobile phone. For that case, let me just head to my mobile phone, and for this case I need to come to my WhatsApp option. Then from here I need to head to the settings. I just need to come to this setting option right here on the top, whereby you will normally see the profile. As you can see, we have right there. So for that case, you need to scan these two to make sure that they get to be connected, and that way. So all you just need to do is to scan these. You just need to scan that option. You just need to go ahead and scan that code, and of course your WhatsApp is going, your real-time WhatsApp is going to be transferred into your computer, and that way you'll be tracking down whatever real-time information is happening into your partner's phone. You'll be having it on your WhatsApp. So basically, that's how easy it is to of course to link. And as you can see, these are my these real-time chats which I'm receiving, and that's how you get to do all this. So basically, that's the trick you can get to use, and hopefully get to use it in the right way. So that's it for today, and of course, if you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and of course share the video with a friend, as well as go ahead and drop a comment if you need any clarity. More videos on tech as well as forex trading will be dropping in this channel, so stick along, and of course make follow up on whatever is new. And having said that, that brings us to the end of our today's video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you in our next episode. Peace guys.